All right, hey everyone. Now I'm going to explain how to set up the actual Open Broadcaster software I use to record all my videos. And I actually have Evan on here, and he is going to try and set
Hi,
his up at the same time.
bear
So,
with me. I hate technology.
yeah, he's kind of an idiot. So, we'll continue on. First off, you need to go to the Open Broadcaster or obsproject.com. You can find that on Google by looking up Open Broadcaster software, and you can go to that link, and then you can just straight up download it from here, and it'll download and install for you. I already have it installed, and as soon as you have it installed, you can fire it up via this icon right there. So as you can tell, I'm running it right now, but before you can actually run this, you actually have to click preview stream. So Evan, if you want to go ahead and fire up your Open Broadcaster and click preview stream,
What's up?
okay? Uh, and you probably don't have anything in this window here,
Nope.
even while previewing. Okay, right click on that window while you have preview stream on,
Okay.
and go to this add, and then you can go capture monitor, and then you can name it whatever you want, and then the preview should start the way I've got it here. I'm actually going to delete that.
Hold on. What's this arrow? It says warning arrow is enabled. When on Windows 7/Vista, it's recommended to disable arrow when using
Good.
monitor capture or you will have low FPS.
Yep, don't worry about that. If your computer won't have a problem, but any of our viewers may have some issues. And if your computer is not of high quality, you're going to want to turn off Windows Arrow, which is in your settings. That'll be a video for another time, or you can look that up on Google, how to disable Windows Arrow. But go ahead and just click OK, and you should see a monitor capture
Yep.
in the sources. You have it checked.
Yes, I do.
Okay. Then click Preview Stream.
It says stop preview.
Oh, do you see an image uh, where you right clicked before?
Yes.
Okay. And everything's mimicking your monitor on that.
Yes.
There you go. All right. Next up, you can actually start recording using the start record button, which is where my stop recording button is. Um, but anything else, you're gonna have to go into your settings and mess with video.
It's not giving me the option to start record.
You can't start recording while previewing.
Stop preview. And then it starts start streaming, but start recording is still
Okay. That
not
is
an option.
going to mean that you need to enable encoding, I think. Let's see. Okay, you need to select an output file. So go into your settings.
All right.
Okay. You see this broadcaster settings. Click on that. And then you click on your mode drop down and go file output
All right.
only.
All right.
And then you give it a file path. And I just always have it dumped down to my desktop via test.mp4. And you do that via clicking browse. And every file will have the exact same name every time.
Whoa, whoa, whoa. What am I looking for?
Okay,
For the file
broadcast.
path?
You're in broadcast settings. Click on the browse button to the right of it.
Yep.
Okay, and then choose a location you want to dump it down to. I usually just do my desktop, and then give it a file name like test, and then click save. And then every file from then
Okay.
on will have that name, or it will have appended on the end a 1, 2, 3, 4, so on and so forth if there's one named like it. And then once you can click apply and then OK, and then you should be able to click your start recording.
Yep.
Okay, very good. Next setting we have to change. Because of the setup that that this works on,
Yeah.
you actually have to change the amount of data it uses.
Okay.
So encoding. Go to your encoding settings.
On it.
Okay. What's your max bit rate?
1,000.
Okay, up that to at least 3,000.
All right.
Okay. The reason that is what'll happen is for 1,000 or less,
Buddy entered your channel.
it will actually cause a graininess when you turn a three-dimensional image. So like if we're playing War Thunder or Minecraft or whatever, the image will be extremely grainy after a turn in the video. Your screen itself won't have any issues. So click apply and OK, and that should be good. Okay, last thing. For recording a game and not having to see this screen and not having to have it in windowed mode, you have to go to, well, you have to choose a game first. So particularly I'm going to choose Minecraft. That'll fire up any second when it feels like it. And then I'll click play. Okay.
Hold on, I'm doing the same.
Don't do it at the same time, actually. Okay. Now, you won't see it pop up, but you'll have to go add game capture and give it a name while the game is up. You seen this?
So I right click on sources, go down to game capture.
Nope, you right click on here. Watch my join me here. You right click on the image here, go add, just like you did for the oh wait, you don't have a stream running, do you?
Nope.
Okay. Start your stream while you have Minecraft running.
You want me to preview stream or start a stream? Because
Either way, preview stream is what you can do for anything. I can do it because I'm actually recording right now.
Okay.
But you don't have to do it right this second. I'm just describing it to you, so just watch. I have Minecraft up that you can see here. So I'm going to go add game capture, give it a name, for my case Minecraft. Okay. And then see this application thing here? You can click on that and choose whatever game is open or whatever application you want to focus in on. And in this case, Minecraft. And click OK. And it added Minecraft to here. And we should.
And that just stays on there?
What'll happen is, you see how that's in the center there? Because that's the size of the window. There's something I discovered here just recently, is that the positioning of the sources tells you what's going to be placed over what. So this image, you see how I'm moving the Minecraft window behind it?
Yeah.
Okay. It's actually capturing this video here. It's capturing the window, and then it's actually making it the primary image and placing it over top of every other source. So what I'll do is I'll bring this up to full screen. Where are we? Videos. Screen on. Do you see that? See how it's now the full screen there?
Yep.
And Java stopped working. That's
Yep.
fine. Um, but that's the overall way you gotta do it. So if anyone has any questions for the video, feel free to comment or send me a message over YouTube. Um, and happy gaming.